The biggest regret I have is...
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Deja the Dun. If you're not new here, then welcome back. But if you are new here, baby, are you subscribed? Because y'all need to join the family. My cousins, my everybody, my friends, my besties, whatever. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now and make sure you turn on your notifications for every time I post a new video. I am so happy to be back, first of all, because y'all know your girl has been... Your girl's been going through some things. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. But I'm so happy to be back. Like, my love for YouTube has never gone away. And I'm just so happy to be back making content for you guys. Just talking my stuff. Because I really feel like even though I don't get a lot of likes or a lot of comments or anything, I still feel very close to you guys because you subscribe to me and I just feel grateful. So this video is going to be about the things that I have regretted as a new YouTuber. And when I say new, I'm not that new. I've actually been doing YouTube since 2016. So yeah, go figure. I could have been 8 years in, y'all, but I have messed up. I'm not gonna lie, I messed up, but I could have been 8 years in, y'all. Like, we could have had some type of establishment. But I'm not regretful for what has happened between the time then and now, even though I say I am regretful, but I believe that everything truly happens for a reason. And I am just so thankful that I'm back now to do what I can do, because it's never too late. Like, if you ever think it's too late to start a YouTube channel, first of all, that's your problem right there. You're never too old, or it's never too late to start a YouTube channel. Like, the funny thing about this is that when it comes to YouTube, everybody's so different. So you're gonna have a fan base because people like you for who you are. Like, there's plenty of seats at this table, baby. Trust me. However, guys, if I could give some advice to you guys to not make the same mistakes I did and for you guys to flourish, I'm going to give you guys my 2 cents. And if you see this video and you have any YouTube regrets that you have had or whatever, make sure that you comment below in the comments. Let me know, because I only put a few because these are the ones that resonated with me the most. And when I did decide to make this video, like, when I tell you this video wasn't planned until today, like, this video was not planned until today, and I just asked the Holy Spirit. I was like, Holy Spirit, please put an idea in my head, because I know I wanted to film 2 videos today. The first video, I did a makeup tutorial for, like, oily skin. Now this video, I'm doing it on the regrets I have from YouTube. So I asked the Holy Spirit to, like, put an idea in my mind for a YouTube video, and this is what we came up with, y'all. Sorry, y'all, I don't know what happened. The lights just start flickering in the house. Like, I got scared, y'all, but it's okay. So back to it. I did write down a few notes about, like, what to do if you're a beginner YouTuber and you're really passionate about YouTube. I would say, if you're really not passionate about it, then these tips may not resonate with you, but it definitely helped me. It's like a pat on the back from my old me to my new me, because I've definitely made all these mistakes and I do see the difference, and I do wish that I've done some of these things before, but it's okay. Or actually, there's one thing, and I'm gonna save the biggest one for last. The biggest regret I have is going to be saved for last, y'all. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so number 1 is being inconsistent. Y'all, like I told you, I started my YouTube channel back in, like, I started posting on YouTube in, like, 2016. And I believe my first video was actually about a breast reduction that I had back in 2016. So it's been 8 years since I've had that surgery. And that was one of the first videos that I posted. I just got a new camera. I was so excited to be a YouTuber because I was so inspired by people back then. Like, I'm trying to think about who was I watching back then, y'all, but I was so inspired. I love Glamazante. I've always been a big fan of Glamazante. Like, loved her so much. I liked, oh, what's her name? I love the hair girlies. It was the hair girlies that had YouTube on lock. And I wanted to be a hair girly too, but I couldn't I couldn't afford the type of hair that they had because of course companies were sending them hair, they were getting it for free and stuff. So I told myself that I was going to be more of a low budget synthetic hair girly. So I started posting YouTube videos in 2017. So a few months after my surgery, I started posting videos and doing reviews on synthetic wigs, and I used to do like DIY stuff and makeup and all the stuff that I still be doing. Besides synthetic wigs, I don't be doing that no more, and that's no shade, I just haven't bought one in a while. But I used to do all these reviews and stuff, and the screenshots I'm going to show you guys, like all the screenshots I'm showing y'all are the ones that, like when I would like just post it where they just had like 50 or something views. But over time in 2017, like I said, I was in my YouTube bag, but over time those views grew and grew, and I know my breast reduction surgery one had about 10,000 views, and some of my wig videos had like 1,000, 4,000, all that stuff. Like it had some good views for somebody who only had like 70 subscribers. So I was doing my big one then, but I do regret not being consistent because I was also in college. I was going through a lot at that time, and I really just did not feel the need to post. But also I loved that I was doing it in college because I had a big support system in college. Like I had a lot of people that was rooting for me, and we had like a little group of small YouTubers. Like I hope they watch this because I'm about to call y'all out. Some people I really wanted to see on a YouTube bag is Dorian. I went to school with this dude named Dorian. So fly, so amazing. I love him so much. I wish he was still in his YouTube bag. Leslie, I'm calling you out too because I wish you was still in your YouTube bag too, Bookie. There's a few of you YouTubers that we went to the same high school, that we went to the same college with, that I wish y'all was still in your YouTube bag because we made the promise that we were going to be great and we all fell. What happened? And not only failed, like failed, but I mean like we fell off our horse. So we need to get back up on our horse, y'all. Get back on your horse. I want to see y'all do great. But being inconsistent for so long, I feel like if I was consistent for those 8 years, I would have definitely had a bigger platform now, a bigger following. I would have had more supporters, more subscribers, because mind you, I just started YouTube back up again in 2024. So back in October 2023, when I posted that video in October, I think it was October or November, but when I posted that video, that's when I said, okay, I'm gonna be back in my YouTube bag. And I tried to start it again back in 2022, but I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it then, but I was feeling it after I had more equipment in 2023, and then I started. But as you guys know, like after I lost my grandmother and my friend, I got in this real deep funk. I didn't want to record no YouTube video. I was doing things. I was out partying and out doing stuff that I wasn't supposed to be doing, while also trying to get right with God and all this stuff. Like it was a lot going on. And then my aunt passed away in the midst of that too. So y'all, it was just so much. But I am just so excited to have a camera in my hand now. Like y'all don't even know how good it feels. And the fact that I've still had this dream, because before I even posted that video in 2016, I've always wanted to be a YouTuber. Like I wanted to be one of the girls. One of the girls like, oh, that's Deja the Don. Like, that's me. So I feel like if I would have stayed consistent with it those 8 years, I definitely could have had a bigger following. But the good thing is that even though I kind of regret not being consistent, I am very thankful to just be alive, to sit here to do this in 2024. That is a blessing, because there's so many people who didn't even make it. But in these 8 years, there's so many people. So I'm just so blessed and so thankful to even be here, to still even make a video for you guys. The second thing I regret about my beginning YouTube journey, sorry y'all. The second thing that I regret about my beginner YouTube journey is definitely being lazy with editing. Let me tell you guys, when I make it, I will literally pay somebody to edit for me, baby. I will pay somebody to edit for me because I just... No. I think a lot of content creators can agree that editing is some of the most stressful parts, because like you could film all day because you're in the moment, but when you're trying to edit a video and then you have stuff to do and then you gotta film some more, it gets to be a lot. But I'm starting to find a joy in editing because I am a very visual person. If you don't know, I went to school for mass communications with a concentration in video production, audio production, marketing, all that stuff. Like I did every single part of mass communications, y'all. So I'm really into doing stuff like this. I love to create a vision. So it's not new to me to edit, but I feel like because I edited so much in college, I was like, please no more. But I realized like when I do edit very lazy, people don't like it, and I don't like it, because why am I out here giving out piss poor work? That's like me being an entrepreneur and me starting a business and I'm giving like low quality stuff or just giving like crappy service. Like, no, the people who subscribe to me see something in me that sometimes maybe I don't even see. And it's very important that you're putting your best foot forward in every video you make. It is important. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been lazy with some of my recent videos. There's some videos that I have not even posted that is just sitting in my drive because I've been lazy with it, and that's not good. So I would say definitely put your best foot forward when it comes to editing. You don't have to be the most perfect editor, but people could tell when you tried, and people could tell you we just threw stuff together and be like, hey, there's the video. So definitely do not be lazy with your editing, guys. So this is one that you hear a lot of YouTubers say, but you really do have to let go of the fear of being seen. Because why are you scared to be seen, Bookie? It's funny because we're literally putting our lives here on a platform for any and everybody to see. So if you don't want to be seen, this might not be the thing for you, or you might have to do a faceless video. I don't know, I'm just saying. But I regretted like my fear of being seen. But also in the counteract, I also had a fear of not being seen. Because I feel like if I was seen by people like my family, my friends, they were going to laugh at me. They were going to say, oh, like, that's a stupid dream you have. Like, you know, stuff like that. Don't get me started on that, because that's a whole thing on its own. Because, you know, to me personally, when you're in your hometown, you can get support, but it's nothing like moving out of town where people don't know you and people support you. I don't know what it is about people that you don't know or people that don't know you that rock with you more than people that you know. Maybe because they know who you are, and it's like, it's weird, you're trying to level up. I don't know what it be giving y'all, but yeah. But you gotta let go of that fear of being seen, and also the fear of not being seen. You cannot have the mindset. Well, I'm gonna just say this. I know you know what the fear of being seen means, because there's plenty of videos about the fear of being seen, about what the fear of being seen explains. But the fear of being not seen is another thing, guys, because it's the fear of, oh, nobody's gonna watch my videos. I'm putting in all this effort. I'm getting 3 views and 10 views and whatever views. Because I put a lot of effort into my videos, and sometimes I only get 10 views. Sometimes I only get 20 views, whatever. Because it's going to be that one video that's going to get you far. It's going to be that one video. And once you post that video, people have a plethora of things to look at. They're like, oh, I saw this person's video, it blew up. Oh, I see they also got vlogs. They got this, they got hella videos. So those videos start gaining popularity, and then boom, you're seen. So you can't have the fear of being seen. You can't be afraid of what people are going to say about you, because people are going to talk about you till the day you die. Ain't nothing you could do about it. So if you're going to let them talk about you, at least give them something to talk about. Okay. But the fear of not being seen is going to hold you back even more. I don't care if you have 2 people, that's 2 more people that could be like, okay, I like this person, I'm gonna subscribe to them. Every person who views your videos matters. Keep that in mind. All right, so this one is more so for my vloggers, because I love vlogging, y'all. Like, I love vlogging, but one thing I can say is that I kind of have social anxiety when it comes to vlogging even now, because sometimes when you whip out a camera in public, people be like people don't be knowing what to do when there's a camera in public. And also I know it's weird because people just want to go about their lives, and here you are like, because people don't understand. And honestly, it could be an uncomfortable experience for both you and the people around you. But also, you gotta get your coins, baby. You gotta get your content in. So unless somebody comes up to you and say, hey, you can't record here, hey, you can't do this, that, and third, whip that camera out, do what you gotta do. If you feel a little weary about it, record on your phone, or record on something small. And it's funny because sometimes I remember I posted this video for my anxiety girlies. If you're scared to vlog with a big camera, get something like a GoPro. I have a GoPro Hero 9, y'all. And let me actually turn it on. I have a GoPro Hero 9 and it's really small and compact. And you see, I'm able to just vlog like this on this little square, y'all. It doesn't cost too much attention. It has a tripod. You can set it up. And it's actually smaller than your phone. Like, look at the size difference, y'all. So, yeah. Don't be afraid to film in public, y'all. And that's also me telling that to myself, because I do regret sometimes having social anxiety. But also forget these people. They don't know you. They don't know you. They don't know you. You better get your content in. And y'all, the fifth and last regret I have, guys. The fifth ties in with the first one I said. Remember when I said I had all those videos for 2017, 2016, whatever, and they were actually doing good? My biggest regret as a small YouTuber is that I deleted all of my videos off of my channel trying to rebrand. Now, I don't know what that could have done for my channel, but I had traction. I had a digital footprint that goes back and back and back and back to 2017. And they were actually decent videos. But you know, the thing is that I didn't like it because I was like, oh, that's the old me. That's the old me. I'm gonna just start fresh and make these new videos and etc. etc. But I should have kept that, because believe it or not, back in 2017 when I only had like 100 or something subscribers, or maybe like 200, baby, I was monetized. I was monetized back in 2017, y'all. It's crazy because of course the YouTube algorithm is different now. You have to have more subscribers, more stuff. So I'm not monetized now, but I deleted all my videos that had some heavy hitter views on it. And I regret it because I was just so, I wasn't ashamed, but I was like, ooh, this is the old me. Like, I didn't look the same. I didn't really like the way I looked. The videos were just kind of, I don't know. It wasn't resonating with what I wanted to be or my brand. But I really feel like if I would have kept those videos, I would have had more traction. Therefore, I would have gained more followers because I still had those views. But when you delete those videos off of YouTube, you're also deleting all your views. You're deleting all your data. You're deleting all that stuff, guys. That's my biggest regret, because I just wonder what my platform would have looked like if I would have kept it. So I would say, if you're starting a video, if you're starting a YouTube channel, I would say either start from scratch. So if you have an old YouTube channel, keep it, start from scratch. If you want a new look, whatever, start from scratch and try again, or keep those videos, y'all, because y'all don't, I think that may have messed me up on something real. But you know what, we're starting here. I don't know what subscriber count I'm gonna be at by the time this video comes out, but right now I have 398. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because I am trying to get to 400 and more. I'm still trying to get to 1K by the end of the year. So I think it can happen, guys. And honestly, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys who are trying to boost up your YouTube channel and stuff, I hope you guys are taking like advice from people who you feel are credible, from people who have a proven track record and etc. People always tell you what to do, but it's not a lot of people who will tell you like their own regrets. And this is from a small YouTuber to small YouTuber. This is just the advice I can give to you, because I feel like these 5 mistakes have held me back, but this can also make you move forward. And honestly, I think this can help me move forward too, because I felt this in my heart and my soul, y'all. But it's okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm coming up with a new vloggy vlog. Love y'all. Bye.